everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my car with my 3 kids. We are about to go into a Goodwill that we just came across. It's brand new. It used to be where like this Toys R Us was, and it closed down, and the space has been empty for quite some time, and the space is huge. And so I was very happy to be driving by it, and I just noticed that it's a brand new Goodwill. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna bring you guys along with us to see what it looks like and see if we can find any good stuff.
Yeah.
They have this huge wall full of large linens like comforters and curtains and even rugs. The smaller linens are rolled up nicely and in different shelves, and their pillows are nice and lined up. It looks amazing, you guys. They have so much stuff to sell. Now, they didn't have a lot of furniture, but I'm assuming that's because it's still fairly new. However, this cute little table right here is only $15, so imagine that painted and distressed. They also had some nice accessories like this really pretty grassy arrangement. It reminds me of the Dollar Tree one that I created not too long ago. Another thing I noticed that they were doing was styling end caps and doing it by color. And I saw this cute little blue and white pot that I totally regret not buying. It did not have the top on it, and it was only a couple dollars, I think. But this would have been so cute as a little planter, and yeah, I'm still kicking myself in the butt. And I also have fun just looking at random little cute pieces like this. Isn't that cute for like dessert? I wish they had more of those because I totally would have bought those. There was also this cute little silver container, and I actually thought that the fruit in it came with it, but nope, they were priced as well.
Look at this.
That's a cute little basket. Let me see.
Mommy,
That one makes noise. Oh yeah, that's a cute little picnic basket.
Can we pick this out? This basket. Mommy, look at this. Mommy, look at this. You can fill it up with grass and then put fake eggs in it.
Yep, that's right. Oh, and I was really impressed with their shoe department. Look how clean and organized this is. Their jewelry was actually pretty nice. It had some good selections in there too. And just look at this adorable baby clothes section. So I did end up getting the, little bird cage. I don't think it's a real bird cage, but I've been looking for something like this for a long time, and I'm kind of glad I got it. It was only $1.99, and it's kind of like a green color. It's really sticky, kind of icky. I don't know where the person had this before they took it to Goodwill, but I want to paint it like either an oil rub bronze or a white, and I'm thinking white might go better with my decor, but just thinking what you guys think about this one. I did end up getting this plant right here. It's the little faux plant, and I got it for, let's see, how much was it? $2.99. So that's pretty awesome. And if you guys saw the little urn that I painted to make it look like cement, I'll go ahead and link to that if you guys want to check it out. But I think that's the exact same thing I want to go and do to this one, because this one has the texture like cement, but I'm not really fond of this color. So I think I'm going to do that exact same process and make this look like a faux cement urn. And then I like it. It's pretty huge. I like how it looks like that seagrass stuff that I love so much. I'm not sure whether or not I should keep these. It's like it gives it a little bit of extra interest and even makes it look a little real because they actually look really fluffy and stuff. I don't know if I should cut those off or if I should leave them. Let me know what you guys think about these. And I did end up getting this cute little brass candlestick. I want to have like a little mini collection of brass candlesticks, and I love how nice and polished this one was. It's just in really good condition, another $2 little buy. And I kind of want to get like maybe lots of different individual size ones so I can put it on a mantle, and you know, different patterns, different sizes, and you know, heights. Oops. So I thought maybe this would be a good start because it's really simple and super like clean and polished. So this is another really cute buy. And this is the last purchase for me. I have never bought shoes at Goodwill before because I've never seen anything really nice or you know, or just worth the buy. This was actually $6 for the pair, but they have practically like seriously no wear on them. The cork all the way around the wedge is super like intact, and that's usually the first thing that goes. It's got a little bit of, you know, little dots here or there, but I actually have a leather conditioner, and I figured I might just put it on there and kind of give it a little bit of life. But the fact that the holes are intact, the stitching is intact, everything is intact on this, and it only cost me $6 for the pair. I figure, wow, and I love this kind of style shoe. I got really lucky on this buy, I thought, and they look really cute on. So this was my first shoe purchase at a Goodwill ever, and I think they're really adorable. And that's pretty much it for my purchases there this time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a like if you did. I hope to be sharing more trips to this Goodwill, so I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.